What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this one, we're going to be installing some crossbars on the 8th generation Land Cruiser. These are from Yota Xpedition, so if you guys want to pick a set of these up, link is down in the description. But let's get into the install. So right here on the table, we have the crossbar kit, which is going to come with 2 crossbars, all of the caps for the end, and the tools you need to get this installed. So this is going to be pretty straightforward. Now, if your Land Cruiser did not come with a roof rack, we did just install that one. If you need one, that's also available at Yota Xpedition. Link for that is in the description. We did a video on that as well if you want to check it out. But let's go ahead and get these up and installed. So really quick, you have the smaller screw here and the larger screw on the side. The smaller one is going to allow you to adjust the width, the overall width of the whole rail or the crossbar. And then the larger screw here is going to be to tighten this clamp onto the existing rails. All right, so we're gonna start with the front crossbar. And what's nice is both are labeled, so it shows you which is the forward direction and what's the front crossbar and what is the rear. So we'll go ahead and get this up into position. All right, so we have the roof rack crossbar up here, and you can see on the rails you have 2 little holes. On the crossbar itself, there are going to be 2 things that lock into the position there. So just slide that until it locks in and lines up. And we can go ahead and snug up our clamp. Then we'll go ahead and line up the other side. So we got both of our clamps tightened. So now we'll go ahead and tighten the other bolt up here, since we do have the width adjusted correctly. And then we can just throw on our end caps, and then we'll put the rear crossbar on. So we got 2 of our end caps. These are labeled left and right. So left is gonna be the driver's side, right is gonna be the passenger side. So we'll go ahead and get those in position and push it down. Snap it in place, go ahead and do the other side. So push it in from the side and then down. All right, so we have both of them installed. We're just gonna peel off this yellow directional sticker now that we have it all done, so that we don't have to see that yellow standing out, and then we are finished. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the crossbars for the 8th generation Land Cruiser, making it a little bit easier for you guys to store stuff on your roof. So if you guys want to pick a set of these up, head over to yotaexpedition.com. Link is down in the description. If you have any questions about this install, make sure to drop a comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.